Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'll be participating in the Fall Decor collab, hosted by the Decor Lovers, whose links will be in the description box below. So please stop by their channels and show them some love. And without further ado, here we go. And I'm just gonna stick them in randomly where I see some empty spots. There's our one-legged scarecrow. Can't be any scarier than that, my dear, than a one-legged scarecrow. And I'm just gonna sit Pocahontas in the back there. So I'm just gonna place that right here on the side where it usually sits. That looks very pretty. This side, I usually have these candles, and I'm gonna place these right back in where they usually sit as well. I thought that little pumpkin would do nicely, but I think it's getting lost in with so much color. So I'm gonna come in with a little bigger pumpkin, and I am gonna add this glass pumpkin, which was my intent to use for the mantle. With the addition of some small changes, I added some feathers and some additional cattails to our wreath. Our mantle area is now complete. I have a clear glass apothecary jar. I'm going to drop a bunch of these gourds and simple, easy peasy. And this piece, I think I told you before, was a recent purchase at Raymore and Flanagan. It came with 2 end tables. It was a floor model, and I got it for $300 because the tops were scratched. But as you can see, a little furniture polish, honey, shine that joint up good as new. Add a runner to that for the holiday. And I'm gonna put our DIY basket back into place. And again, very simple styling on this end table. Now let me give you a look at the whole room. I'd like to thank the decor lovers, Creatively Miss Me, Coffee with Nadia, Krafty Leeny, Love My Babies Forever, and all Things Shushana for hosting another great collab. I hope you enjoyed what I put together for you today, and I hope it gave you inspiration to decorate your home for the upcoming fall season. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,